In the heart of Malaysia's rainforest, from rainforest treasures to scientifically proven results. At Nexus Wise, we bring nature and science together, standardizing bioactives, protecting potency, and proving what works through solid research and GMP standards. Every ingredient begins with identification and ends with verification, stability, absorption, and performance, so brands can deliver results their customers feel. Tiger Pro, Malaysia's tiger milk mushroom, grown in our own cultivation for purity and consistent strength, with full traceability. Then standardized and tested for identity, potency, and safety. Backed by the world's first human clinical study on respiratory health for tiger milk mushroom. Contains high-potency beta-glucan, clinically shown to reduce nasal symptoms by 74%. Our clinically driven portfolio moves from claim to confidence. We co-create consumer-preferred formats, clinically aligned doses, proven efficacy. Behind every capsule is a chain of trust, from rainforest to research bench to real-world results, scalable, repeatable, and reliable. We give back where it matters. Nexus Wise provides a continuous supply of essential nutrition to Orang Asli communities, nourishing hope, supporting well-being, and building a healthier, more inclusive society. Malaysian botanicals, scientifically proven. Nexus Wise.